Hey, it's Michael from Rapid Tools. Today I want to show you two of our favorite utility knives. Built tough, comfortable to use, and ready to handle any cutting job with ease. Here we have our heavy duty and our quick change utility knives. These knives feature serrated utility blades, which engage multiple cutting edges at the same time. This reduces cutting friction, making each cut sharper, smoother, while helping the blades last longer, no matter what material you're working with. First up, the Rapid Edge Heavy Duty Utility Knife. This one's all about faster, smoother cuts on a variety of materials. The Safety View light in the handle acts as a safety feature. The light comes on when the blade is exposed, so you always know when it's ready to use. This knife has an ergonomic handle that feels natural in your hand, built from durable die-cast metal. And with the slide and lock adjustment, you can set the cutting depth just how you need it and keep the blade secure for precise, consistent cuts. Next is the Rapid Edge Quick Change Utility Knife. This one's designed for convenience without sacrificing performance. Changing blades is simple with the knife's Quick Change button. No hassle, no downtime. The Quick Change knife is built tough, and the curved, soft grip handle makes it comfortable to use, even for longer jobs. This knife also has a few smart extras, a built-in string cutter and a handle compartment for storing extra blades, convenient for when you need them. Whether you're on the job site, tackling a DIY project, or just need a reliable knife around the house, these Rapid Edge knives give you the comfort, performance, and versatility needed to get the job done right. Check out the heavy duty and quick change utility knives today at rapidtools.net.